Dear students, today we are going to study about exercise 6.3 and topic is today tangent and normal. So first you see what is tangent and normal and all formulas are given here. First you see just like I have written here tangent. Tangent क्या होता है? कोई एक फंक्शन हो let y is equal to fx be a curve and x0 y0 is any point on that curve, then dy by dx at this point x0 y0 is equal to slope of tangent, also we set it tan theta. So first see what is the tangent and normal. So suppose we have one graph here, it is x axis, x dash, y and y dash. Suppose one curve is here, any curve is here, और इस कर्व के ऊपर एक वन टेंजेंट इन टेंजेंट, यू नो दिस थिंग, a line drawn touches at single point, एक पॉइंट पर टच करेगा तो इसका नाम क्या बोलते हैं? टेंजेंट. यू स्टडी इन क्लास 10 11 आल्सो. टेंजेंट एक पॉइंट पर टच किया एंड दिस पॉइंट इज सपोज x0 y0, first x axis and the y axis. So this line is tangent touching at a single point, and if we draw one perpendicular, if it is 90, so this line is known as normal. मन जनरली परपेंडिकुलर को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नॉर्मल. तो ये टेंजेंट रहा, ये नॉर्मल. और इसका सम इक्वेशंस आप गिवन हियर, टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल. तो व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट? टेंजेंट का स्लोप, any function is given, we differentiate that function so we can get slope of the tangent. Where is this? So dy by dx x0 y0 and this point, so it is the slope of the tangent. Also we can say it is the tan theta. Now equation of the tangent at the point, इस पॉइंट पर इस टेंजेंट का इक्वेशन क्या होगा? So that is y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0, where what is m? dy by dx this x0 y0. That means m is slope of the curve and that is the tan theta. So in the place of m we can put dy by dx x0 y0 पर, तो formula becomes y minus y0 is equal to dy by dx at the point x0 y0 into x minus x0. Now second thing is normal. So slope of the normal, ये था, this was the slope of the tangent dy by dx. Normal of the tangent, slope of the normal क्या होता है? Reciprocal of this slope of the tangent with negative sign. That means slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent, and that is slope of tangent is 1 by dy by dx at the point x0 y0. That is the slope of the normal. And next equation of normal at x0 y0, y minus y0 equal to, in the place of dy by dx, because it was the slope of the normal, minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x0 y0 into x minus x0. So it is the equation of the normal. And some important points should be noted down. Number one is when tangent is parallel to x axis. If tangent is parallel to this x axis and that type slope is 0, slope means this dy by dx is equal to 0, and that time what will be the equation of the tangent? That time if dy by dx is equal to 0, that means total term will be 0. In that case y minus y is equal to 0, y minus y0 is equal to 0, so we can write y is equal to y0. Now next, if tangent is perpendicular, parallel to the y axis, sorry, it is perpendicular, it was the perpendicular to y axis, in that case dy by dx is equal to infinitive, and infinitive may be written as 1 by 0. So number second was if tangent is parallel to this y axis, in that case dy by dx is equal to infinity. Infinity means in sometimes it become that 1 by 0. In that case if dy by dx is getting 1 by 0 here, if 1 by 0, in that case 0 by cross multiplying this becomes 0. In that case, x minus x0 is equal to 0, so x is equal to x0. And 2-3 things important, more some important things. Somewhere you write here 1 by 0 is equal to infinity, and 0 by 1 becomes 0, you know this thing, and also 1 by infinity is equal to 0. These things will be helpful to solve some questions in the exercises. Now look at question number 1 is find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. And x का वैल्यू अगर 4 पर, what is to find out? We need to find slope of the tangent. So now given curve is y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x. So very easy thing. To get the slope of tangent, सबसे पहले क्या करें, इसका डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. So differentiating both side with respect to x, it becomes, ये हो जाएगा dy by dx, and this 3x power 4 differential 4 into 4 3 is 12, directly we can write 4 3 is 12 x cube minus this 4 into 1, so it is 12 x cube minus 4. dy by dx से क्या होता है, slope of the tangent, that means slope of tangent on which point, at x is equal to 4. That means slope of tangent is this dy by dx होता है slope of tangent, and x is equal to 4. So it was dy by dx already we have found here. In the place of x we can put here 4 into x के प्लेस में लिखेंगे 4 का क्यूब माइनस 4. ठीक है, स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट फॉर्मूला dy by dx, on which point we have to find this, x is equal to 4. So it was the dy by dx here 12 into x cube minus 4, 12 into, in the place of x we put 4 cube minus 4, so it becomes 12 into 4 into 4 into 4 minus 4, so 12 into 4 4 16, 4 is 64 minus 4, so multiply this, 12 4 48, 12 6 72 and 4 76 minus 4 is equal to 764, it is answer. So in easy way we can find the slope of the tangent only by differentiating y with respect to x. So it was the solution of question number 1. We do next. Now question number 3 is 2 you can do yourself, very easy, this like question number 1. So now we do number 3 is find the slope of the tangent to curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at point whose x coordinate is 2. उसमें दिया था x at x is equal to something, but here x coordinate, that means x is equal to 2. Now given curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1, so we differentiate this, differentiating with respect to x, so it becomes dy by dx equal to, ये क्या हो जाएगा 3x स्क्वायर, x का डिफरेंशियल x के रिस्पेक्ट में 1 हो गया, ये 0 हो गया. सो नाउ स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट x कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है कितना, x is 2, that means dy by dx at x is equal to 2 equal to, we put here 3, x के प्लेस में क्या है 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1, 2 स्क्वायर 4 3 12 minus is equal to 11. It is answer. The slope of tangent is very easy to find out. So it is the solution of question number 3. And 4 also, it is also easy. X coordinate is given 3 here, so you can do yourself this. नाउ वी डू, सो दूसरे टाइप का क्वेश्चन है ये, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हियर we have to find slope of normal and two curves are given here, x and y. So let's see this. So number 5 is find the slope of the normal to the curve. Slope of the normal we have to find here, and x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 4 पर इसको निकालना है. So given curves x is equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. So you have done maximum questions in the previous exercises. It is the parametric equation. It is parametric equation. Parametric, so you know this thing, differential of x with respect to theta. So we find here dx by d theta, and from the y we find here dy by d theta. Then we can find dy by d theta is equal to, formula was dy by dx we need. So dy by d theta by dx by d theta, it was the parametric form. So we write here differentiating with respect to theta, not x, because this variable is theta. So it becomes dx by d theta is equal to, a is constant term, a is constant, cos cube theta, इसको सपोज कर लिया x, x क्यूब का डिफरेंशियल 3x स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 3 इंटू x मीन्स cos स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू इसको सपोज किया x, डिफरेंशियल ऑफ दिस माइनस साइन थीटा. सो इट इज dx बाई d थीटा. नाउ dy बाई d थीटा, नाउ वी हैव y equal to a sin cube theta. So dy by d theta equal to, a is constant, sin cube theta, it is also like this sin theta cube, it becomes 3 sin square theta. I sin theta को फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शंस लाइक चेन रूल, sin theta का हो जाएगा cos theta. So now we should find, we need dy by dx, dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, formula is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta we have a into 3 sin square theta into cos theta by dx by d theta is a 3 cos square theta into here minus sin theta. We place the values, a cancel, 3 cancel, sin this square, sin cancel, cos theta this cancel. So dy by dx is equal to, we have sin by sin theta by cos theta, that means, and minus is here, minus tan theta. So dy by dx is getting minus tan theta, and we will have to find this slope of normal, slope of the normal, slope of the normal. This formula was minus 1 by dy by dx, dy by see the question, dy by dx, theta is equal to pi by 4, theta is equal to pi by 4. So minus 1 by dy by dx is minus tan theta minus tan theta, and theta is pi by 4. So minus minus cancel, and 1 by tan pi by 4, that means tan 45 degree. tan 45 degree क्या होता है 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. It is the answer. So it was the slope of the normal. Formula was, it was the reciprocal of slope of the tangent with negative sign. That means minus 1 by dy by dx, and we have to find value on the theta is equal to pi by 4. It is minus 1 dy by dx, already calculated, minus tan theta, and theta is pi by 4, and value of tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So these are the solutions of 1, 3 and 5. Remaining questions will be, you will get in the next video. Okay, thanks.